Hello and welcome. You see, I asked Google UK personal tax calculation. It gave me a few links and a bit of calculations. So let's go to the official website of UK Gov. This is the official website which helps you to figure out income tax calculations, their thresholds, personal allowance. What do you mean by personal allowance? Up to 12,570, if this is your income, you don't pay any tax. HMRC says you are a bit poor person. You don't need to pay taxes. Your earning is little. If your earning is more than 12,570 or up to 50,270, you have to pay 20% tax. This is Finance Act 2025, the latest one. We call it basic rate. And the higher rate, if your earning is more than 50,271, up to 125, 140, you pay 40%. And if your earning is more than 125, 140, you pay additional tax, which is 45%. And these incomes, we're talking personal income. Personal income comes from employment, like your salaries and wages. It could be property income, pension you received, or savings income and dividend you are receiving from UK company. Let's do some calculation. It will make more sense. Look at this. In 24 and 5, Jewel, who is single, has employment income of 39,070. Building interest is receiving 9,000. How much is his total income? It's less than 50,000, isn't he? So on all his income, this is employment income. This is savings income. He will be taxed at 20%, but you don't pay tax until 12,570, right? So we will be doing all these one by one. Employment, non-savings is employment income, and savings is this interest. Employment income is how much? 39,070. You write into the total as well. Building society interest is 9,000. So in this column, right? So we're going to add up to get a net income, net or total as well. We call it total as well. 39,070, and this is 9. And when we add up these two, how much it is? 39,070 plus 9,000. We got 48,070. 48,070. How much is the personal allowance? 12,570. Until 12,570, we don't need to pay any taxes. So from this figure, if I take away 12,570, I get 35,500. 35,500. And this, all of these allowances utilized here. 12,570, yeah, 70. If you take care from this, how much is that? 39,070 minus 12,570, you get 26,500. And savings are as it is because all my personal allowance is utilized here. You see, this is my taxable income. 26,500 will be taxed 20%. 9,000 will be taxed at 20% as well. But there's something called personal allowance, personal saving allowance. I take a green color pen this time. So, if you are within the basic rate threshold, which is less than 50,270, you get additional 1,000 personal savings allowance on savings income. I will show it in a minute. So, bear with me. How much is your non-savings income? This much, 26,500. And you will be taxed at 20%, isn't it? Can I do that? We do have the figure, just to 20% is 5,300 is my tax payable to HMRC. Non-savings income at 9,000, isn't it? But hold on, as I said, until 1,000, you don't pay any tax, 0% tax, so it's 0. So 1,000 is personal savings allowance. And how much is still remaining in savings income? 8,000 will be taxed at 20%, right? So it should be 1,600, but I trust my calculator. Don't do the mental maths. Yeah, it is 1,600. And these two added up together gives you tax liability. So plus 5,300, you get 6,900. That's how you do calculate income tax. Of course, your income can be higher, fall into the higher band rate or additional band rate. Check out our other videos for more income tax related calculation. Hope it helps.